All right, well, folks, how's everybody doing today? Welcome to another episode of Rob's West Virginia Bass Fishing. And today I am fishing down here at the creek in front of my house. And I'm going to fish some of these holes. We've got some rain moving in here in the next hour or two. So I really didn't want to take off and go somewhere else and get rained out. So I'm going to try to do what I can here at the creek. It's about 55, 57 degrees out here. But I just checked the water in this creek and it's 49, so may not get very many bites, but got a couple of my favorite creek lures tied on. It's my little 16th ounce Panther Martin spinner on my Jimmy Houston camo combo, and of course my old trusty Bitsy Minnow on my Lose Xfinity combo. So I'll try the Bitsy Minnow first and see what happens. Oh man, I just had one hit it on the first cast. Daggone it. Oh, I got something. Creek chub. Haha. Second cast. Had a hit on the first cast and got one on the second cast. A creek chub. They usually bite pretty good when this water gets this cold. If I can get a hold of it without getting hooked. The lip trick don't usually work with these. Alright, there we go. Nice little creek chub start, second cast. I got another fish. A green sunfish this time. That must be the one that just hit me the cast before this. Green sunfish on the Bitsy Minnow. Alright, let's turn them loose. Go on back. Oh man, it caught off. You said that was another creek chub. Daggone it. now I got something. Oh, now it's a bass. If I can get it in without losing it. Yes, people, got me a little spotted bass out of the creek. Woohoo! That's what I come down here for. Ah, gotcha. All right. He had it pretty good. He got it by both treble hooks. I love these little creek spotted bass. Look, the orangish red eyes. Crankbaiting in 49-degree water, folks. I get my pliers. He's hooked better than I thought he was. Right in the lip. There, now I got him. Let's see. Eight and 3/4 inches. Whew, that was fun. I like these little creek spotted bass. Alright, let's turn him back loose now. Oh man, I saw that fish. Holy crap. Get the Ned rig. Ah, got it. This is a good bass, folks. I'm not playing with this one. I knew that Ned rig would come in handy. This is a big bass for this little creek. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that spot. I'm tickled to death now. On the Ned rig, folks. I'm starting to like this thing. Well, look at the red eyes on that thing. I gotta get the pliers. I saw this fish hit the crankbait, and that's when I put the crankbait down and picked up this. Got it. Oh yes, this is a good spot for this little creek. They don't get much bigger than that in here. That thing's 12 inches long. A 12-inch spot out of this little creek. $14 ounces. Oh boy, it's been a good day now. If I don't catch nothing else the rest of the day. Oh, if I don't end up in the water now, I can't get down to the water, but here we go. Oh, well folks, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Rain's getting ready to start. Should be starting anytime now. Matter of fact, I've felt a sprinkle or two here and there in the last couple minutes. But yeah, I wanted to get down here and try to fish this creek today because I hadn't done it in a while. And like I said, water temperature was 49 degrees. I didn't expect to get much action, but I caught three of my fish. A creek chub, green sunfish, and that little spotted bass on the Strike King Bitsy Minnow. It's white with chartreuse back. I was fishing on my Lew's Xfinity combo, 6.5 foot medium action, and I got it spooled with 8-pound test fish's fluorocarbon. But the fish of the afternoon was that 12-inch spot that I caught on my Ned rig here. It's a 10th ounce TRD Shrooms head from Z-Man. But for the actual lure itself, I bit off a piece of a Strike King Zero in June bug color and put it on there. And man, that fish, I saw that fish. At first, it darted out and took a swipe at the Bitsy Minnow, but then didn't hit it. And I just immediately put this rod down, picked this up, and pitched it out there. First cast, that fish picked it up, and it was hooked way back by the eye. And but I was fishing this Ned rig on my Lew's Carbon Blue GT. It's a 6 foot 10 inch medium action, and I got it spooled with 30-pound test vicious braid that's spliced to 15-pound test vicious fluorocarbon. So that was my afternoon. Like I said, it's starting to sprinkle, so I want to get this wrapped up. I'd appreciate it if y'all's new to the channel, if you could give it a like, subscribe, maybe give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think. And I will get out and try to get another video done as soon as I can. And I really appreciate everybody watching.